Good morning, children. Welcome to Sarosh Digital Learning. Today, we will be doing 4.2 Revolutionary Steps in Surgery. Kindly open page 82 of your textbook. Class 8th Standard. Surgery dates back to as early as 600 BC. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest works in the world dealing with surgery. He was the first to perform operations. What is the meaning of surgery? Operations. That is plastic surgery. Later, some ancient surgeons performed tooth extraction and bloodletting. That is, they would drain the blood of the person to be operated, and that would be very painful. Due to lack of knowledge and technology, major surgeries could not be done, as the doctors had to cut open the part of the body that was not healthy. It was very painful. It also took long time to heal the wound or the operated part. General anesthetics, that is like ether or chloroform, was developed only from an 19th century onwards, making painless surgical operations possible and successful. Anesthesia is used by anesthetists. Modern techniques are used nowadays for anesthesia. General anesthesia benumbs the whole body, makes the body, that particular part, numb, so that the doctors can operate upon the body without any pain experienced by the patient. General anesthesia was used in the 19th century onwards, so painless surgical operations were successful and could be done. Modern methods were used to make numb so that one does not feel any pain. Benumbs. This is used to operate any region or part of the body. For local anesthesia is injected by the doctors in areas near nerves. Most of them are injected near the nerves. Changes were made in different types of complicated or difficult surgeries. You know what is revolutionary? Revolutionary means a change in the medical or the medicine field. Followed? Now they began to start with cardiac surgery. Cardiac surgery is related to heart surgery, and it is a very difficult or a major operation that was conducted for the first time in 1893 by Dr. Daniel Hale Williams, a young African American surgeon. He had come from Africa to America, and he had done his doctorate. He was a surgeon who attempted a new medical technique in order to save a patient's life, and the patient was saved. After that, a patient called James Cornish was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife had cut an artery less than an inch from his heart and punctured the pericardium, the sac around the heart. So, Dr. William, with his 6 staff doctors, performed a complicated and daring operation upon James Cornish. Dr. William became the first surgeon to save his patient by successfully repairing the human heart, and it was the first cardiac operation. So now we also have many other types of operations done to deal with heart complications. They are called as open heart surgery. We go to page number 83, students. You can check there, which can help to repair heart diseases. heart valves, or even replace them. They are even replaced. A stem is placed in the heart of the patient. Now, in modern times, lot of revolutionary changes have been done by the surgeons, and cardiac surgery is more faster than they did before. Now, we go to another type of surgery, and that is neurosurgery. Neurosurgery is another recent specialty to have received recognition since the 1990s. From 1990s, the brain is also being operated. It is concerned with the treatment of disorders of the nervous system. You know what is the meaning of disorders? Disorders are health problems, health issues or defects. Some people are born with defects, so the doctor operates upon the person. Neurosurgeons operate on the brain, the spine or nerves, because even the spine and the nerves are connected with the brain. They can treat patients of all ages, from the newborn baby to an elderly person who has suffered a stroke. You know what is the meaning of stroke? Heart attack. A heart attack is called a stroke. We have Harvey Cushing in 1869 and 1939 is considered to be the father of modern neurological surgery. In the early part of the 20th century, he developed basic techniques and instruments for operating on the brain as a distinct surgical specialty. Distinct means a clear-cut operation which was done by Cushing. Cushing dramatically produced or reduced the mortality rate of neurosurgery from 90% to less than 10%. Usually before, 90% people would die after the brain operation, but today only 10% are dying and 90% survive, are successful, the operations. And by the time his retirement in 1937, he had successfully removed more than 2,000 tumors. Usually the brain sickness or disorder is caused due to tumors, those excess cells that grow inside the brain, causing cancer. Tumor is another form of cancer. So that he has completed 2,000 tumors he has removed, Dr. Harvey Cushing. We have the main reason that mortality rates had been so high before was blood loss. Mortality means death rate. What is the meaning of mortality? Death rate. And this was due to loss of blood while operating, because those days the surgeons were not so expert. But now the doctors in modern times, they have already having equipments and techniques to reduce the blood loss. So achievements are the methods that were developed to stem this blood loss by inventing a clip. A clip is placed inside the body of the person who is being operated on his brain, and that clip is called silver clip. Underline in your textbook, or Cushing clip, by his name also. His name was Cushing, so they have named it Cushing. Thus, neurosurgery is one of the most cutting edges, very difficult operations. Neurosurgeons are very expert. Sometimes they have to call from foreign countries to operate upon the brain in the world of surgery and medicine. So we have neurosurgeons, they rank first. Then come the cardiac surgeons. Followed. So what is robotic surgery? Robotic surgery is a type of minimally invasive surgery. Minimally invasive means that instead of operating on patients through large incisions, use of miniaturized surgical instruments. Miniaturized means small surgical instruments are used with the help of robot. And then when performing surgery with Da Vinci. This robot's particular name is called Da Vinci, the world's most advanced surgical robot. These minimized instruments are mounted on 3 separate robotic arms. There are arms on this robotic which are kept, these minimized instruments are kept on 3 arms of the robot, and that is why it is called as 3D. 3D camera is used to guide the surgeons during the procedure. What is the meaning of procedure? During the process of the operation. The surgeon controls these instruments. All the work is on the surgeon to control the robot during the operation, and the camera from a console. So it is called a console located in the operating room. Placing his fingers into the master controls, he is able, now turn to page 84, to operate all 4 arms of Da Vinci. There are actually 3 arms which are used for instruments to be kept, and the 4th arm is used by the surgeon to operate upon the patient, and it is also called Da Vinci. A French name is given to the robot. While looking through a stethoscope, high definition monitor, the robot literally places the surgeon inside the patient. The surgeon can see he is also already put inside the patient's body by the robot, and that is why the surgeon can see each and every part of the body, which is the internal organs of the body, especially the brain. Brain is supposed to be very delicate organ, internal organ of the human being. This gives him a better, more detailed 3D view of the operating site. Site means of the particular inner organs. Then the surgeon's eyes can provide every movement he makes with the master control is replicated, means it is duplicated, xeroxed. In other words, replica means same the body looks inside and in the picture accurately by the robot. The robot takes an exact picture into its machine, into its 3D machine or the 3D arm. When necessary, the surgeon can even change the scale of the robot's movement. He selects a 3:1 scale. The tip of the robot's arms will move just 1 inch for every 3 inches. 1 inch it will move for 3 inches of the body part that surgeon's hands move. Utilizing this advanced technology, our surgeons are able to perform a growing number of complex surgical procedures. They are doing many operations. They can cover up in a day 2 to 3. Since these procedures can now be performed through very small incisions, they have not to make a big cut. Open heart surgery, brain surgery, previously before many big large cuts were made by the doctors, and then stitches were given sometimes, and it would take long time to heal, to get all right. What is the meaning of heal? To get all right. Our patients experience a number of benefits compared to the open surgery of the past, and that is why, because of this robotic surgery, the patients are able to get better and they are able to go home successfully. So I end this lesson. I will be sending you your homework on WhatsApp. Bye children. Thank you. Okay. किधर स्टॉप? नहीं बोल रहा, नहीं
उतना एडिट हम कर देते हैं अगर आ जाए मैम। मगर आड़ा आया ना,
पता नहीं किस
आड़ा आया ना मैम।